You guys ready for some crazy stuff? Because we're about to go through a very interesting Kashihon manga starring that darling of the alternative comic scene, TSUGE Yoshiharu. So prepare yourself, gird your loins, whatever it takes. We're going to take a look at that right here on Gaijin Guy PowerPoint. Okay, this is it. Tetsujin, Kuso Kagaku Gekigashi. Okay, so basically science fiction. All right, so imaginary science Gekiga magazine. Gekiga being like manga, but no longer for kids. Gekiga is for the people, the first generation who were reading manga. They grew up and they needed comics to grow up with them. And so this is Tetsujin number 2. The publisher seems to be Daiichi no Manga. Okay. This cover drawn by Kagemaru. What's this guy's name? This guy's been around. This guy's a regular Kashihon creator. You know what? I'm gonna look up his name and I'll put it in the titles. How's that? All right. So we have Daiichi Production. Tetsujin. Okay, this is one of the craziest rental comics I've ever seen. So it's a monster mag. Okay, it's a science fiction mag, or is it a monster mag? Not sure, but you got your classics: the Wolfman, the Mummy, Creature from the Black Lagoon, Frankenstein's creature. You got robots. You got big monster kaiju. You know, all the things that you could ask for, and a creepy little scientist dude standing in front of a rocket. All right. Now we're going, let's move this a little more to the little. Going to the contents. This is Tokyo Junior for some reason. We have, okay, it says here Tetsujin number 2. Let's see. And we have a list of the stories. TSUGE Yoshiharu, Yamamori, I want to say Hiroyuki, Robot Pony. Well, this is okay. Let me give the titles: Nezumi, Rat, TSUGE Yoshiharu, Sora Kara no Raibosha. So, the visitor from the sky. Okay, Yamamori Hiroyuki. Robot Pony by guess who? Tatsumi Yoshihiro. So 2 big names here. All right. All right, so let's go ahead and jump in. This illustration here, Sugiyama Akira. All right, Nezumi, story and art by TSUGE Yoshiharu. All right, so it's the year 2000. We don't know. It might be this year. So basically, rockets making their way into this. This is I've flipped through this before. This is the first time. I'm just gonna go through it real quickly. I'm not gonna translate the whole story, but we have your basic crew in space, and looks like there's a hard ass captain. He's like, "What y'all doing? Don't make me come in there and kick all your butts." So I don't know what's going on in there, but they've got a bunch of. They're supposed to have food in there. Oh, it looks like it's a trouble with tribbles kind of thing where the rats have eaten all the food that's supposed to last like the longest time. Oh, wait a minute. Where have I seen this before? Maybe Shirato Sanpei when in Ninja Bugecho, where an important character gets eaten up by these desert animals. Okay, but he doesn't get eaten up. But oh boy, are they in trouble. They don't have any food. What's gonna yeah, gee, that's great. That's great. Tezuka character cameo. I don't know how they're gonna solve this problem. Flipping through it is probably not gonna, well, they're gonna look. Uh-oh. Well, whatever they thought their solution was gonna be, Looks like it was not a good solution. And then here come the rats. Beep, 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 beep. Which I guess they shot them all into space. I still don't see how they're going to solve the food problem. Okay, so this says Sonogo no Kaiju Tachi, the kaiju afterwards. That looks like, oh yeah, King Ghidra, exactly what I thought it was. By Miyawaki Shintaro. He says, I guess this is a gag because he's in jail. You know, funny. Oh, I see. Oh, is that Rodan? Is that? It is It's Radon, and he's worshiping this picture of Alain Delon, the French actor, and he says, "My name is so close to his, but I don't have his popularity." And you have King Kong. Looks like he's dancing. It says in America, okay, but and then he's come to Japan and showing off. Godzilla looking in a microscope. What happened to Mothra over here? Can't tell. Can't really tell what's going on with that one. Okay, we've got a fold out, a robot story, an advertisement for another deal. Yamamori Yuki, visitor from the sky. Phone is ringing. People are freaking out. What's happening? Oh, there it is. Visitor from the sky. Oh, and he climbs down the ladder. Very analog, and he's here, and he looks like a shadow thing. Oh, but when you look up close, he looks like that guy who's The Hills Are Alive. Okay, pretty typical mix of aliens from a Japanese point of view, the octopus one and the big brain one, and the bug-eyed monster, basically. Oh, okay. He's saying, but no, aliens are supposed to look like this. He's like, no, I don't look like that. Looks like everything's friendly. It's going on fine. It looks like they're designing a rocket together or something. There's a lot of him drinking and trying stuff out and eating. It's very talky. It's very, very talky. But apparently they parted as friends. So, oh, wait a minute. Story's still not over. And then he came back, and then he's back for some reason. I don't know. That was just very, very talky. Okay, Robot Pony. Tatsumi Yoshihiro. The big, these guys, highly acclaimed for the other stuff they did. Pony. He's calling his pony. That's kind of a cool looking robot dude. Looks like it's his friend, Asimovian type of robot, the happy helper. At the zoo. Are we at the zoo? It's like, hey, where'd the robot go? Okay, he's going to the robot store. And he's looking for his robot and he can't find him. Goes to the junkyard. Oh, he found him. He's in the junkyard. But he says that's not Pony. So he finds a robot getting bullied. They become friends. And drama. Oh no. What's going to happen? The robot pushes him out of the way, sacrifices himself. The noble robot. But the kid's saying, they're like, you love your robot, right? And he's like, no, I hate him. I'm glad he's broken. Oh, and he's whining about when Pony first slapped him at the factory, like a long time ago. Whatever. Okay, so robots from readers. and ad for Besatsu Tetsujin. All right. Let's see if anybody interesting is going to be. There's Yamamori again. Tatsumi Yoshihiro again. So anyway, okay. Oh, look, here they are. TSUGE Yoshiharu, Yamamori Hiroyuki, Miyawaki Shintaro, and Tatsumi Yoshihiro, all looking quite manly and sophisticated. Okay, maybe not. Yeah, that was it. I thought y'all might like that. Just a flip through, just a flippity flip through. So that was Tetsujin number 2. Hope you enjoy. Crazy stuff. I'll probably shoot a couple more of these before I leave for an extended trip to the States. And if this is the kind of thing you like, let me know in the comments. And I'll see you in the funny papers. Gaijin Guy out.